Hey there, it's Claire back with another delicious date recipe to get your week started off right. Welcome to Medjool Mondays. Parfaits are so popular because they make yogurt an art, and nothing complements yogurt like Natural Delight's Medjool Dates. This dish is a perfect combination of sweet and tangy flavors, and it's an excellent source of nutrients such as protein, fiber, and vitamins. Greek yogurt, dates, orange, is your mouth watering yet? This easy to make dish is healthy and delicious. It gives you the right energy to tackle your day. You'll need the Medjool dates, pecans, yogurt, juice of an orange rind, a little maple syrup, and vanilla. Start by combining the orange rind, orange juice, and yogurt in a bowl. I'm adding in the maple syrup and vanilla, stir everything up. And now I just layer the yogurt, nuts, and dates, top with a little orange zest. Ooh! Never miss a Medjool Monday and click subscribe to stay informed.